Here we just present a way or Minitab instructions to compute it, to provide a time series plot. So here we are in Minitab. I've got some earthquake data. You can go to Stat, Time Series, and then do a time series plot. We can just do a simple one. Do it with quakes, not year, because years is our time scale. And thereby we get a nice time series plot. This kind of shows the number of earthquakes over the past 100 years with the Richter scale over 100. We might want to see if there's some trends or some other parts, or maybe smooth it out. So you could go to regression, binary logistic regression. I'm sorry, time series. That was last class. Time series, and then do a moving average and put the variable in, and you can put in a variety of lengths here. Here I'll put a length 3, and it kind of smooths it out. I could do longer moving average, maybe like 10. This takes the averages of the previous 10 and plots them, and so it kind of smooths it out a little bit. And try one more. I don't suggest you do this in real life, but you could actually smooth it out by 20. Take the previous 20 averages and graph those, and you can kind of get that. And one other part, just a little bonus information for you here, you can actually center it. So that you take the previous two, you take your current one, and you take the next two if you have a 5, and it also kind of centers the average. So all those things you can do, and those are things you can do for homework 25 and submit it in time.